Hello and welcome everyone in this new lab development video about building an auto battle game. In this video we're going to add a few icons to the different phases. So I've made 3 icons using gameicons.net. So you click an icon, then you customize everything about it, and then you can download it. You can modify the size, etc. So I made 3 icons, one for the recruitment, endgame and combat phase. So we're going to import them right away in art. We don't have interface, so we're gonna have interface, and then we're gonna have main HUD, I would say. No. This is gonna be called icons for now. Icon for now, and we're gonna have phase in there. So T combat phase and game phase. Oh, we're not gonna call T phase recruitment, and we're going to copy this and paste that here. Combat and end game. Then we're going to get rid of them and re-upload them. We're gonna bulk it via property matrix, and we're going to make them so where is it now? Level of details, we want UI so that it can take transparency. Then we want to open up our widget. Which one do we want to open up? Widgets, in-game HUD. This is gonna be the first place where we want to do something. If we hit play, where is it written? The current phase in the top, at the top. So this in here we want to add an horizontal box. Not here, in there. H box, current phase. Text block is this is gonna be called current phase, just phase, like this. Then we want an image in here. This is gonna be tied up to phase. Fill, this is gonna be auto. This is gonna be tied up, but it's gonna have, yeah, like this. Fill, yep, in the middle. And we're gonna try with an icon with one of our, where are there, art texture icon, match results. So this is kind of strange. Texture base icon, yeah, so this is gonna be in interface icon, obviously. We want to check if we have redirectors. We have not. We can delete the icon folder. So if we type in icon, we only have that, so we want to type in, for instance, recruitment phase. Yeah, we want that to be 50 by 50, for instance. So what does it look like? We don't want that much space, actually. Maybe we don't want any space at all. Maybe we want a little 5. This is quite pixelized. So I think what we're gonna do is re-download the icons, but in the right size. So we're gonna do one test before we download more. So we're gonna put this in the size we want. I think we're gonna try 60. We're gonna download that, save that. In here we're gonna say that actually we want the combat. We're gonna compile, save, go in here. Oh, there is thunder. So sorry, I had to mute my mic because there was kind of a thunder, huge thunder. So just re-import that. It's quite pixelized still. Yeah, it's quite pixelized. And if we go back there, reset that to its right size. So re-importing the icons won't do anything good to us. Well, maybe it looks better. I don't even know. I'm not even sure. If we tell it to be like this, save that, then import that. Oh yeah, it sounds better. It sounds better. Yeah, so we're in the combat phase. So I think we're gonna keep them this way. So 60 we said. I put that to in the middle so it's aligned with the icon, by the way. So when is this text being updated? On enter new phase. We want something easy to get. Do we have a library in that project yet? We don't. Game system utils. Oh yeah, we don't have that. Oh yeah, we do. We don't want that to be called utils. I cannot. Why can't I rename this? Yeah, utility utils. We're gonna call this get icon per phase. So we're gonna be able to call that anywhere, and it's going to return the proper icon, the icon we want, depending on the phase we are in. Game phase, in phase, because we want to display that icon at several places. And we don't want to record that each time. So recruit phase is gonna be recruit, combat is gonna be combat, end game is gonna be end game. We're gonna compile, and I think we're gonna be able to get icon, get phase. We're gonna rename that. Get phase icon. Get game phase icon. Even get game phase icon. And what do we want to do? We want to say that this is actually called image game phase icon, and we want to set the brush in here. Set brush, set image, set. There is. Yeah, that's the one. And if we do that, it hits play. We're in the recruit phase, then in the combat phase, then back to the recruit phase. So I think that is going to help us for the rest of the development. That's why I wanted to do that. And we haven't checked for the endgame. And one other thing I want to do is when the Ruben pops in. I am them. That's here. Match results, phase feedback. So this is Eden. Yeah, that was here. We're just gonna hide that. And where are we going to put the icon? I think that's quite easy. We're gonna do the same thing. Add on a horizontal box. Oh, yeah, here. Put the text in the horizontal box. Say that the text is using all the space it can. No, automatically using all the space it can. HBox phase feedback gonna be called the same. We're gonna have an image there. The edge box is going to be in the middle. The image is going to be separated by 20 pixels. It's going to be located in the middle. We want to be using that. Maybe it's going to be bigger than the other one. This is going to be in the middle like we just did. This is going to be, we want, yeah, some kind of, not here. We want the edge box to have a padding on the bottom of like 10. And if we hit play, what does it look like? Yeah, that's not pretty, but we couldn't care less. Um, 10, we'll say. Maybe that's a bit too big. Let's say 100, like this. Yeah, that's not pretty, but we don't care. And we also want to update that image game phase feedback. And I guess we just want to plug that in here, if I'm not mistaken. If we hit play, yep. And we're gonna end the game just so we can see that we're entering the end game phase and everything is going on, and everything is going fine. I'm gonna deal a lot of damage to that guy. Oh yeah, but he has 60 HP. Yeah, 60 HP. 50 HP, I mean. Okay, anyway, so we're not gonna try the end game. We know it's working because the rest is working. So we're just going to wrap up that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.